Good afternoon, class. How is your afternoon? Did you have a good day? Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day to start our lesson for this afternoon. So, welcome back again to our math class, and this is teacher LM. So, this morning and yesterday, we studied about skip counting by twos. So let's read again. Let's count again the numbers. Skip counting by two. Okay, class, count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. So these are the numbers from 2 to 50 by skip counting by 2. Okay. So next slide is skip counting by 2 still, but I am using a odd number. So, for example, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So, these are the numbers which are odd numbers. So, if we count by skip counting by 2, it becomes 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8. Next, given numbers are 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Okay, so you just need to add 2 digits to make it correct to the next number. Okay, so now let's practice skip counting by 2. So 0, 2, 4. How to answer this activity? You just need to fill in the blanks what is the missing number, okay, in each columns. Okay, so let's count 0, 2, 4. What is the missing number? The missing number is 6, 8, 10, 12. Next number to 12 is 14, 16, 18. Next number to 18 is 20, 22. What is the missing number here? 24, 26. Missing number 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 40. What is the missing number? 42, 44, 46, 48. Next to 48 is 50. Next to 50 is 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62. What is the missing number? Next number to 62 is 64, 66, 68, 70. So these are skip counting by 2 from number 0 to number 70. Next one, another. It's skip counting by 2s using the odd number class. Odd numbers. So it starts with 1. So the missing number here is 3. Next to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 14, 17, 19, 20, 1, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59. So that's all. From 1 to 59, skip counting by 2s using the odd numbers. Next one, let's keep counting by 5. So skip counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, great. So to skip counting by 5, you need 2 plus 5 from 0 to 5. So look, 5, so 10, 15. Okay, here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, so flat. All right, now here, let's find out. Skip counting by 5. Okay, fill in the missing blank. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So these are the skip counting by 5. Now let's use the odd numbers class. Odd numbers. So 2, 4, 7, 2, 7, 12, 17, 22. The answer is 27. Skip counting by 5. Next, 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. What is the next number? The next number will be 28. 3, 9, 14, 19, and 24. Next number is 29. 5, 10, 15, 20. The next number is 25. I mean, third, this is wrong class, okay? This is 25. Okay, 6, 11, 6, 11, 16, 21, and 26. The next number is 31. All right, so that is all about our lesson for this afternoon about skip counting by twos and skip counting by 5. That would be all for today, class. Have a great afternoon. Goodbye and see you again tomorrow. Ay, Charing, kung di ka 8 minutes, Charing.